Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, despite objections from the opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has recommended a 3-year extension for the Director of Public Prosecutions DPP Paula Llewellyn. The Prime Minister says the DPP has done a fairly good job and has described arguments from the opposition as curious and unfortunate. Andrea Chisholm reports.
News came on Tuesday that opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips did not want the tenure of DPP Paula Llewellyn to be extended. In his words, "I have the most strenuous objection." According to the Gleaner newspaper, that quote came from a section of a letter written by Dr. Phillips to the Governor General. The opposition leader also indicated in the letter that for the past 12 years, the office of the DPP has a poor track record in the prosecution of corruption cases. Mrs. Llewellyn was appointed in 2008.
It is unfortunate that this matter has reached into the public domain. It does add various levels of complications to the appointment. Having said that, and having reviewed and consulted, I have made a recommendation to His Excellency the Governor General for the extension of the service of the DPP for 3 years.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness added that Mrs. Llewellyn has strengthened the office of the DPP.
It was important to ensure that the office had enough time to prepare for transition and management, and I believe that the present DPP has done excellent work. Just looking at it from a public good point of view, I don't believe that any harm has been done, and I think that the expression of confidence in the work of the DPP will ensure that the public continues to be well served.
Under the Constitution, a DPP cannot serve after age 60 unless their tenure is extended, but it should not last for more than 5 years. Mrs. Llewellyn turns 60 in September. The Governor General may extend the period before the DPP turns 60, acting on the recommendation of the Prime Minister after consultation with the Leader of the Opposition. In the meantime, Mr. Holness made reference to other controversial points about the office of the DPP.
The issue raised by the Leader of the Opposition, which I found to be a very curious concern, that the DPP, that an incoming administration should not be in any way tied to the existing DPP. I wasn't convinced by that argument, which I found to actually undermine the Constitution and the authority of the office. And I've found that to be an unfortunate statement which was raised in the public domain.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.